That's a great answer. So thanks. I would like to thank also Natalie and Ria, who have been helping out today. Natalie is our host, and Ria with all the Q&As coming. And our students have prepared a very short video to thank you. See, I don't know, Ria, if you want to. There we go.
Thank you for your advice on effective feedback and its impact on future success.
I want to thank you for sharing such an amazing presentation with us and your valued feedback in business world. 谢谢.
Thank you very much, Mr. Subasi, for sharing such wonderful insights in the business field.
Thank you for bringing your personal experiences to us. Gracias.
Thank you, Mr. Subasi, for your presentation. I learned a lot from your lesson, and I think I will absorb and try to practice the knowledge that I learned from today in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time and showing us how important feedback can be in the personal and professional world.
Yeah, so Umit, on behalf of all the students and all the people who have joined online for different countries and continents, thank you. Thank you so much for joining us tonight, and we learned a lot, and I'm sure we will have an opportunity to invite you back.
Absolute pleasure. I must say, after seeing the video, which is really cute, you guys made a real big bet on me, saying, without knowing what's coming up, you made a pre-recording saying, hey, thanks for this, without knowing what's coming up. So I appreciate the trust, and I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. These are the type of things you can talk about hours and hours. It was a great opportunity, George, and a privilege. Thank you again for giving me this chance and sharing this time all together. Thanks.
All righty. Thank you. Take care.
All the best, everyone. All the best of luck.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye.